Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio 2013 Community. So you can download the installer of the Visual Studio Community from this URL. Once you open the URL, scroll until you find Visual Studio 2013. So this is from the official Microsoft server, so it's genuine. So you can get one of the installer. You can get the web installer or the ISO file. For me, I'm gonna use the Visual Studio Community 2013 ISO, so you can download this one. Once the ISO file is downloaded, you can right click on it and select mount, and then click open. And you can see the vs_community.exe. This is the installer. Just open it. Once the installer is open, you can click the agree license term and just uncheck this one and click next. And you can select the features you want. In my case, I will just use the default and then click install. And then click yes. And now just wait until it's finished. Alright, once it's finished installing, you can just click launch. Now once the Visual Studio 2013 show up, it will ask you to sign in, but if you click it, the online service will show not available, so don't worry about it. First close it and exit Visual Studio, and then copy this PowerShell script so you can be able to sign in to Visual Studio 2013. Then open the terminal as administrator and just paste the PowerShell script and press enter. And then open the Visual Studio 2013 again. Right, this time click sign in again. Now you can just sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are signed in, you can now use Visual Studio Community 2013. Just try to create a new project. Okay, for example, I'm gonna use the Windows Form application here. And then you can run it. And that's it. Now you can start developing using Visual Studio 2013. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and see you next time.